Hey everybody, it is late at night and I am Norman. Something truly special has arrived. And it's in this box. So let us begin. Inside this box is the Traveling Watch Project watch. The goal of the Traveling Watch Project is to have this watch travel all over the world, passing from one watch collector to another. And each of those watch collectors will document their time with the watch in photos and/or videos, and the photographs will later on be compiled into a photo album, sort of a travel journal. This and the watch will then be raffled off, and all of the proceeds will go toward the Veterans Watchmaking Initiative. And I've included a link to the Veterans Watchmaking Initiative in the description below. But in this video, we will be doing an initial look at the watch. However, in my next video, I'll do a full review of it. And after that, I want to do another follow-up video where I go into depth about the Traveling Watch Project, as well as the Veterans Watchmaker Initiative, and give a shout out to some of those great people who've had this watch before me. So let's flip the camera around and take a look at this watch. So here is the box that it arrived in. It's a big fella. Let's see what's in here. That's pretty cool. Case guard. Nice. Actually, I think it goes this way. So inside, we have some cushioning here. A postcard from David Schwartz. Nice. That is so cool. And here is the watch. Let's take that guard off. That is so cool. I think this is a Seiko Explorer style case, or a Seiko Explorer. This is 36 millimeters. I had no idea. I thought it'd be about 40. 36 is my sweet spot. So I'm really excited. All the watches I have that are 36 millimeters, like my Smiths or CWC, those are my go-to watches. So I am really excited about the size of this watch. Let's see what else is in here. So underneath this, we have some additional straps. And I actually like the rubber strap that's on the watch right now with the green underneath. That's pretty cool. So in here, we have a Milanese, and it's really nice. Quick release. Perfect. And we have a great leather strap also. I would actually really like to see what this looks like on the Hamilton khaki field. But, because this is actually the type of leather strap I'm thinking about getting for that watch. But I think I'm going to leave it on the rubber strap because I actually like that. Alright, let's see what this watch looks like on the wrist. I'm currently wearing the Max Bill, so I'll take this off. And we'll see what the Traveling Watch Project watch looks like on the wrist. And here it is on my 7-inch wrist. I like that strap on there. It works. It looks really great with that dial. With the crazy Cosmos painting on there. The dimensions of this watch are so cool. I am going to have fun with my time with this watch. So there you have it, my first impressions of this great little watch. What a cool and important project. And it benefits the Veterans Watchmaker Initiative. Thanks for watching.